They fought twice against Russia. They fought for their own independent state. But they lost. This is about Chechens, people from the North Caucasus who opposed the Kremlin then. After the collapse of the Soviet Union, Chechnya, like many other countries, declared its independence. Джохар Дудаев, once a successful Soviet soldier, became the leader. He tried to build his country without the Kremlin. But the Russian president during those times, Boris Yeltsin, did not want that. The First Chechen War began. It lasted from 94 to 96. Russia sent troops to Chechnya. Locals fought back and were called militants and terrorists by the Kremlin. Federal troops eliminated Dudaev. However, they failed to defeat Chechnya. The Russians lost more than 5,000 soldiers in that war and left the country with shame, but not for long. In 99, after a series of mysterious explosions in Russia, the Kremlin then decided to wage a war against Chechens, accusing them of terrorism. Chechnya became a completely criminalized zone, living from theft, smuggling, illicit arms and drug trafficking. Chechnya is Russian territory. Where bandits appear, they will be destroyed. And this time, he had accomplices inside the country. One of them, the former Mufti of Chechnya, Ahmad Kadyrov, a man who previously advocated for free and independent Chechnya and called for the destruction of the Russians. I encouraged the Chechens to kill as many as they could. I called for jihad. Kadyrov betrayed his own people and sided with the enemy. Chechnya lost that war. Kadyrov was appointed head of the administration of the Chechen Republic. He later became president. And on May the 9th, 2004, during the celebration of Victory Day, he died in an explosion in a VIP zone at the Dynamo Stadium in the capital, Grozny. In 2007, the country's leader became Kadyrov's son, Ramzan. It is him who boasted that he killed his first Russian at the age of 16. It is him who stood side by side with Chechen field commanders in the mid-90s and fought with the Russians. And then he betrayed the idea of an independent state and began to fight against his own people. This is the one who said that the Russians should be expelled from the country and then received the Hero of Russia for participating in a special operation to eliminate the Chechens. He's the one who confessed to the whole world that he is Putin's man. We tell the whole world that we are Vladimir Putin's fighting infantry. Ramzan Kadyrov has been repeatedly accused of violating human rights during his rule in Chechnya. He was accused of torture, disappearances, violations of LGBT rights and other communities. And this is the man that the Russian President Vladimir Putin values so much. Kadyrov is probably the only one who can come to the Kremlin in a sports suit. The fact that Kadyrov is Putin's favorite is well illustrated by another fact. Chechnya is one of Russia's most subsidized regions. Recently, Kadyrov himself admitted Moscow annually transfers him more than 300 billion rubles. That is about the same size as the budget of the Ukrainian armed forces in 2022. We have gathered once again to show that we fully support the decision of the Supreme Commander-in-Chief. A disgrace. This is how real Chechens call the Kadyrov mercenaries and fight against them on the territory of Ukraine. Chechnya is only one of the regions that may theoretically begin to fight for independence while all the Russian army is stuck around the Dnipro River.